they're not astronomical trades, okay? They're not enormous trades, but to get short in here at 98 big figure and covering below the low on this candle here at 96.94, that's over 100 pips. Nothing wrong with that. This is a daily chart we're trading off of. Again, this is helping these folks that cannot be doing day trades, okay? You don't need a great deal of movement on a daily chart to make a decent amount of pips. We're going to go back to this high and use that same old low here, okay? From this high down to this low, if you went short here based on a stop run above here, and we're in a premium, we're above the equilibrium, we've defined our range, we're looking to sell into strength. It's scary when you first start looking at it as a new trader, but that's exactly what you want to be doing as a professional trader. You want to be selling at premium prices. Think about it. You could sell something if you own it. Say you own a car and you want to sell your car. Do you want to sell it at a discount? That doesn't make any sense. You want to sell it at a premium. So professional traders sell their long positions or they sell new short positions at premium prices. There ain't no better place in the world to sell short or sell longs above an old high because there's going to be willing buyers right there in the form of buy stops. So when we see this area here, we get short from this area here going short. And if you just took profits once this low formed, that low comes in at 97.39, 97.39, and the open is 97.99. So we're going to say we went short somewhere around the 98 big figure. The low comes in at 97.39. So that means your limit order to take profits would be below 97.39. So you'd get below here, say you're aiming for 10 pips below that low, below this low right here. You'd be looking for 97.29, roughly 97.30. That's 70 pips using a setup that's on a daily chart. You're not intraday trading. You're not looking at 5-minute, 15-minute charts. You're not being forced to do what ICT does most of his teachings through intraday trading. But the same concepts appear in these higher time frame charts. So don't discount it that I'm teaching you in a 15-minute basis because all of the concepts are universal. And I know it's hard for you to understand that as a new trader because it just seems like I can't be watching that chart, so therefore I can't trade. That's not true. That's not true at all. So by having these ideas of looking at price over the course of a premium market, if we go down to say we go down to an hourly chart. Okay, and what's nice is you don't have to trade with a bias. Most people are always asking me, hey, look, can you give me a way of trading with a daily bias? Give me the trend direction, Michael. I need to know that. Well, you don't really need to know that. You don't need to know it. And the reason why you don't need to know it is because you need to know how to trade inside of a range, because those ranges are always there. Whether you're in a trending market, whether you're in a consolidation, or whether you're in a reversal market, those profiles will always give you ranges to trade in, and you don't need to break out of the range to make money. We have a swing high here. Why am I using that swing high, Michael? Not this one here, not this one here, because this is the most recent one prior to this down move. I could use this one here, but I'm going to use this one because it has more price action around it. This high down to the lowest low, okay? Market trades up to the equilibrium in here, okay? Does it get to premium? No, it doesn't get up there yet. It comes down off of this a little bit and then trades right up into 79 cent retracement level, right in here. Closes in a range, which we'll talk about in the next teaching. Over here, the market sells off, and where are you going to be looking to take profits at? You have